Hi friends, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about how to upload a resume in Naukri mobile app, and also you can understand how to make profile disable from recruiters in Naukri mobile app. Okay, first let us understand how to upload a resume in Naukri mobile app. So to do that, first we have to download the Naukri mobile app from Google Play Store. Okay, just go to Google Play Store and just click on Google Play and type the text like naukri.com. Okay, so I already installed in my mobile app, so that is the reason. So I'm not going to install anywhere here. So go to the Naukri mobile app, just click on the Naukri mobile app, and now click on the on this text profile. So here I have already filled all the columns like resume headlines and profile summary, like key skills. What are the skills you have? You can add here, and also employment history, in which company, about your previous organization and current organizations. Okay, so what are the projects you have done? You can add, and IT skills and education background details. Okay, and if you have done any certifications, you can add also here. Okay, and finally you can find here in the last column, last text here, attached resume. Okay, so here you can upload your resume. Okay, so I have already uploaded a resume, just I am going to deleting the resume. So my internet is a little bit slow. So now you can see here the option is upload resume. Okay, and also you can see here in the left side, not mentioned, attached resume not mentioned. That means that there is no attached resume here. So now I'm going to upload a resume. Just select the upload resume. So here you can find three options are there, like mobile device, Google Drive, and Dropbox. So you can upload a resume from three options. You can choose any one. So I'm selecting mobile device here. Okay, and you can also find in the list of options through you can upload a resume from these options, like from Google Drive, gallery. Okay, or recorder, file manager, audio files, music. You can select anyone. Okay, so just I am selecting here mobile device, and here I am one PDF file is there. I'm just selecting from downloads this one, and it is processing to upload a resume through mobile device. So after successfully upload a resume, you can observe a green color notification from bottom of the uh, Naukri mobile app. So my internet is a little bit slow, that's why it's taking time to upload a resume. Just see, observe here, resume has been saved successfully in the bottom of the line. Okay, and you can also find here resume underscore Lakshman PDF. Okay, so that's it guys. So to upload your resume, that is the process to upload resume in Naukri mobile app. So one more thing, we can also understand how to make profile disable from recruiters. Okay, so just take it here in the bottom of the mobile app. You can see here, make your profile visible to recruiters. So there is option is there, on or off options. If you are select on option, then your profile visible to recruiters. Okay, if you are selected off option, now my profile is disable mode. That means no one recruiter can find my profile, my resume. Okay, so this is the process to make the profile disable from recruiters. So I hope you enjoyed my videos. So thank you for watching.